What form of helix would you expect to see in double-stranded RNA? A form. B form. C form. D form. The correct answer is A form. Rho-dependent termination mechanism doesn't require A ATP. B stem loop structure. C GC-rich stem. D sigma factor. The correct answer is sigma factor. You can see non-canonical base pairing in A dsDNA, B ssDNA, C dsRNA, D ssRNA. The correct answer is dsRNA. Rho shows base preference although it doesn't have any consensus cis binding sequence. Which region will be expected to bind Rho better? A G and C rich region. B A and T rich region. C region rich in C and poor in G. D region rich in A and poor in T. The correct answer is region rich in C and poor in G. You modify your gene DNA sequence by introducing an attenuator within the transcribed region. You isolate the labeled gene product and perform SDS PAGE. You observe two bands, one higher and another slightly lower. Which of this band corresponds to properly modified sequence? A higher. B lower. C both the bands as they show differently folded protein. D this is an experimental artifact. The correct answer is lower. Rho protein that is necessary for transcription termination is A homotetramer, B heterotetramer, C heterohexamer, D homohexamer. The correct answer is homohexamer. AssRNA shows inverted tandem repeat. What would be its secondary structure? A linear, B hairpin, C stem loop structure, D crucifix. The correct answer is stem loop structure. To study the functioning of intrinsic terminator, you increase the number of GC base pairs in the stem and decrease the U bases from the tail region. What would be its effect on termination? A no visible effect. B efficiency will decrease. C efficiency will increase. D the RNA polymerase will stall at the terminator. The correct answer is no visible effect. Which of these interactions is the weakest? A RCDG, B RGDC, C RADT, D RUDA. The correct answer is RUDA. When Rho catches up with RNA polymerase it A stalls, B falls off, C backtracks, D moves on. The correct answer is falls off. RNA has a proofreading mechanism. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. Which of these proteins help to backtrack the RNA? A XPC, B DNAG, C PA, D CSA. The correct answer is CSA.